Watch the video till the end to enjoy the place with me. An archaeological site and a World Heritage Site located in the Indian state of MP. The name Bhimbetka comes from the mythological association of the place Bhima, one of the Pandavas in the Hindu epic. The site has the oldest known rock art in India. Here, let's enjoy the magnificent view of Bhimbetka. This is one of the amazing sights of Bhimbeteka. This is the turtle rock which is about 10,000 years old. Here one can enjoy 5 clusters of natural rock shelters displaying paintings from the Mesolithic period. Points of interest are Turtle Rock, Zoo Rock, Boar Rock and many more. It exhibits the earliest traces of human life in India and evidence of the Stone Age. Some of the Bhimbetka's rock shelters features prehistoric caves, paintings and the earliest era about 30,000 years old. The best time to visit the place is from January to March and from August to December. Nearby destination is Sacred Sanchi, which is 89 km away from the Bhimbetka. Bhimbeteka is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that consists of 7 hills and over 750 rock shelters distributed over 10 km. The rock shelters of Bhimbetka lie 45 km south of Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh at the southern edge of the Vindhyachal Hills. For more travel vlogs, subscribe to my channel. I will take you to the most amazing places of India.